signs of dishonesty, not walking in the craftiness and not handling the word of the Lord deceitfully. Take it into my language. The Bible said, any problems, let me know. The Bible said, this is not a chapter 4, verse 2. Get it up, let's go. You know, and in my language, he made a submission. Nemo, you put a new word here, a hintano, na yenante, and nifremu, na anase yemfra onyankopon asemo. Ube timia betina mama fre onyame asemo akachira. It's very simple to do. Metimi afre nyame asemo akachira mo amana ye mo de obia ni baje ho. Obia ni baje ho. Afolo metimi adani nyame asemo ni aware nan obeba sofo maame Emilia teha na sofo maame Helen teha na sofo maame Agatha teha na sofo maame Angela teha na mapamu dede na me di aye doctrine I went to South Africa and met a preacher with 7 wives. The crowd in that church, you will not believe. That church is about 14 times the size of this one. 14 times, 7 wives. They call him the general. You can check up. Maybe it may be 2 million. You can check him out. 7 wives have lined up on general's altar. The church members have gotten the opportunity to jump into the same thing. Go be on one or heard that. Go be on no open map data. And I would decide your neighbor. Let me join. My friend, I'm here. Someone may pass me catch it all. Some friend, I'm here. Someone, I dear be on what mean to me. You see, the gospel is such that ansana me to me aka ni ye amana toko masono enisa me dimufo, so that I can be able to get the strength of conviction to push it. Sebia me kasetia domestic abuse na me ame bo me yira me nya ho den enti me nka fi say etwi me